Big news for anyone planning to apply for PR in Canada through Express Entry program starting August 21, 2025. You will need to complete your medical exam before you even submit your application. This is a major change, and if you miss it, your application could be delayed or even refused. In this video, I will explain exactly what is changing, who it affects, how you can prepare, and what to expect in the medical exam process. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video, and you guys are watching Paritello Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of a new medical exam requirements for PR applications under Express Entry. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What exactly has changed? Previously, the process worked like this. You create your Express Entry profile, received an invitation to apply, submitted your PR application, and then IRCC would send you instructions to complete your medical exam. From August 21, 2025, that order changes. Before you even submit your PR application through Express Entry, you must first book and complete a medical exam with a doctor who is approved by IRCC. This applies to you, your spouse, or partner, and all of your dependent children, even if they are not coming to Canada with you. You will then receive a document or a medical number from the doctor, and you must upload this proof in your online application at the time you submit it. If you do not have this with your application will be considered incomplete and it will not be processed. This change only applies to new applications for PR under Express Entry program that are submitted on or after August 21, 2025. If you submit your Express Entry application before that date, you will follow the old process. Also, this change does not affect other permanent resident programs such as family sponsorship, provincial nominee programs, outside Express Entry, or refugee applications. In those cases, the medical exam will still be requested after you submit your application. How to do the medical exam? To complete the medical exam, you cannot go to your regular family doctor. IRCC will only accept exams done by the doctors on their approved panel list. Here is the process. Find a panel physician, go to the official Canadian government website and look for the list of approved doctors by country and city. Book your appointment, contact the doctor clinic and tell them you need an upfront medical exam for Canadian immigration. Bring your documents. You must bring your passport, glasses, or contact lenses if you wear them, any medical reports for existing conditions, and 4 recent passport size photos if the doctor office does not use the electronic system. Complete the exam. The exam usually includes a physical checkup, questions about your medical history, a chest x-ray, a blood and urine test. Get proof of your exam. After your exam, the doctor will give you an information sheet or confirmation with a unique medical number. You must upload this in your Express Entry application. Validity and reusing old medical exams. Medical exam results are valid for 12 months. If your application is not processed within that time, IRCC may ask you to do another exam. If you are already in Canada and you completed a medical exam for immigration within the past 5 years, you may be able to reuse those results. To do this, you must include your old medical exam number in your application. Immigration officers will decide if it is still valid. If not, they will tell you to do a new one. Why the government is making this change? The main reason for this new rule is to speed up the process of applications. By having your medical results ready at the start, IRCC can decide more quickly if you meet the health requirements for Canada. This means less waiting time for applicants and fewer delays in the overall system. Tips to prepare and avoid mistakes. Here are some important tips to make sure you do not run into problems. Book your medical exams early because appointment slots can fill up quickly. Make sure you choose a doctor from the official panel list. If you use a regular doctor, your results will not be accepted. Keep a copy of a confirmation sheet or receipt from your medical exam. Do not delay your application after the exam. Remember, the results are only valid for 12 months. If you have a health condition, bring any reports or test results so the doctor has complete information. If you follow these steps, you can avoid delays and keep your immigration process moving smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.